Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not working on Windows 11. First, make sure your account is eligible for voice chat. In Roblox, voice chat only works if you are at least 13 years old and your age is verified. Open your account settings, go to the verification section, and complete the ID or facial verification process. Without this, voice chat will not work. Next, check your Windows 11 microphone permissions. Open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and click on Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on. Also, scroll down and confirm that apps are allowed to use your microphone. If this is off, Roblox will not detect your voice. After that, set the correct microphone on your PC. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and open Sound Settings. Under the Input section, choose the microphone or headset you are actually using. Speak into the mic and check if the input level is moving. If not, try switching to another device. Finally, if you do not see the voice chat icon at all, it usually means your account is restricted or voice chat is not available in your region. In that case, you will need to wait until it becomes supported or check your account restrictions. After following these steps, your voice chat should start working properly. Thanks for watching.